Did you miss the boat on 3% interest rates? Well, you can still find that cheap rate in some parts of the country, like in Texas, where this home builder is offering under 2% the first year, under 3% the second year, less than 4% in year 3, and less than 5% for the rest of the mortgage. It's the latest play by some home builders to attract buyers with such deals in a slow market. In fact, 65% of them offered some sort of incentive last month, according to the National Association of Home Builders.
The housing market right now is slow, and that's both the pace of home sales, but also the pace of construction certainly has slowed over the last couple of months.
The reason, an icing out of home buyers who balked at high mortgage rates that hovered near 7% over the beginning of this year. That as home sale prices were still at record highs, although many well under the original asking prices.
The housing market right now is an affordability constrained market, and that'll happen when you have home prices on a national basis go up 40-45% during the pandemic housing boom.
But that means finally a bit more leverage for some of those willing to buy during this double whammy of higher mortgage rates and higher prices. This summer marked the strongest buyer's market since 2013, according to Redfin.
This affordability environment is still very much strained. And so what that's translated into is a low level of existing home sales.
New homes are also sitting on the market, with the number of unsold new finished houses at the highest level since 2009. The shift to a buyer's market isn't happening everywhere. A good chunk of these homes are in regions of the country that experienced booms during the pandemic, places like Texas and Florida.
We're seeing a higher inventory in some of those markets. So in order to move that inventory so it's not sitting there idle, home builders are going to offer incentives.
Incentives like that buy-down deal where a developer offers a lower interest rate if you use their preferred lender.
Builder spends $30,000, $40,000, even $50,000 or more.
Which could mean $30,000, $40,000, or $50,000 in savings for some home buyers. That might be 10% or even more.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.